I'll show you on your Skyworth TV how to change the names of your HDMI devices. So let's say you have a PS5 and you don't want the TV to say HDMI 1 every time because it's easier to see PlayStation, let's say PS5. Well, how can you do it? Very easy. Take your remote control, even if it's not looking like this one. You're going to press the settings button. It's a cog wheel. If not, go on the top right corner. It's the same thing. All right, go down and select inputs right there. Then on inputs over here, then you're going to select all settings. Okay, it's this cogwheel icon that we need to select. Select channels and inputs. Then inputs. Let's say you want to change the name of HDMI 2. You're going to highlight HDMI 2 in white. And on the right side, simply go like this. With your remote control, go all the way down and select custom name. Press OK, and now you can edit this name. So go ahead, delete whatever was there, and you'll be able to type using this keyboard and save a brand new name that will be easier for you to remember. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if it worked, and I'll see you in the next video.